my name is Endang Lestari. I'm from Muhammadiyah Tangerang of University. Now I will explain about properties of circle. You will already be familiar with the terms used to describe a path of the circle. This point is center of the circle. The point from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, that is called the radius. No matter where you draw the line from the center to the edge, the distance will always be the same. This is O, A, B. OA, same with OB. A line segment like this, which passes through the center, is called the diameter. When we draw two radius in the circle OA and OB, what we get is a sector. It is edged by two radii and curve. This also has a name. This is called arc. Okay, next, the angle in the semicircle. If line A to B, we've got our diameter, and we've got two lines that meet at circumference, and we're sure that this angle at the top is 90 degrees. Next, about angle at the center of a circle. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arch is twice the size of the angle on the circumference subtended by the same arch. Example, we have 19 degrees, so that is angle on the circumference is 45 degrees. Next, about the angle between a tangent and a radius of a circle. The angle between a tangent at the point and the radius to the same point on the circle is a right angle. Three angles O, A, C, and O, B, C are congruent as angle OAC and angle OBC are right angles. So OA same with OB because they are both radii, and OC is common to both three angles. Okay, next, about angle in the same segment. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. This can be explained simply by using the theorem the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. Looking at the diagram, if the angle at the center is 2x degrees, then each of the angles at the circumference must be equal x degrees and x degrees. Okay, the last I will explain about angles in opposite segments. Point P, Q, R, and S all lie on the circumference of the circle. They are called cocyclic points. Joining the points P, Q, R, and S produce a cyclic quadrilateral. The opposite angles are supplementary. They add up 180 degrees, since P degrees plus R degrees equals 180 degrees. That is supplementary angles, and R degrees plus T degrees equals 180 degrees. That is angles on a straight line. It follows that P equals T degrees. Therefore, the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Okay, now I will explain about exercise 3.4. Number 1. In each of the following diagrams, O marks the center of the circle. Calculate the size of letter angles. Okay, 4.A. Because the angle subtended the center of the circle by an arc is twice the size of the angle on the circumference subtended by the same arc. So we get 2x equals 110 degrees, and then x equals 110 divided by 2, x equals 55 degrees. Okay, next 4.B. Because ADC and CDB is angle on a straight line, we get y in here, and then y degrees plus 140 degrees equals 180 degrees. And then y degrees, it is 180 minus 140, and y degrees equals 40 degrees. Next, the angle subtend the center of a circle by an arc is twice, so we get value of x is 2 times y degrees. So the value of x equals to 2 times 40 degrees, x equals 80 degrees. That is my explanation. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.